focus is wrong. Soft light on a ghost where you don't belong. I'm counting the static, the grain on the wall. A temporary home while I wait for the fall. Touching the sleeve of someone brand new, brand new. But my skin all calibrated for you. A blur in the background, a street lamp in white. I'm a fragment of history in the middle of the night. And it's quite decay, the weight of the ghost, the one that I think that I'm needing the most. I'm trapped in the silhouette, hollow or design. Tracing your edges while I'm losing mine. It's a haunting, a dissonance, a static on the line. Two different timelines that will never align. Dust on the lens, the colors are flat. Stuck in the groove where the time went out. The time went out. I'm a passenger here, watching light sources bleed, giving the shadow exactly what it needs. What it needs. No exit in sight from this grainy delay. Watching the one used to be rotting the gray. It's a personal space that feels borrowed and thin, losing the pulse of the life I'm in. And it's quite decay, the weight of the ghost, the one that I think that I'm needing the most. I'm trapped in the silhouette, hollow or design. Tracing your edges while I'm losing mine. It's a haunting, a dissonance, a static on the line. Two different timelines that will never align. If I let the static take over the view, would I finally forget the texture of you? Or is the static the only thing left that is true? The focus is wrong.